Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So let's do an outfit of the day. And it's just in the evening coming back home. It's totally, completely casual and the most comfortable kind of bluish color. See, here is a little bit blue, and the shoe is a little bit blue, and oh, oh, and Gugu is a little bit, and Gugu is not blue at all, and yeah, mm, yeah, 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 yeah. And the bottle is blue. All is blue. Oh, you see the back? This is a sailor blue with you have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Bye bye, friend.